Imagine those days when you could actually give me all your secret without having to worry about stealing your information and abusing it, and I could do the same. Don't exist anymore. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you some photo editing softwares that are as good as paid premium softwares, and I highly recommend you to use them. So starting off with my personal favorite, GIMP. And this software is free. It's hard to believe. And don't get me wrong, Photoshop or Affinity Photo, they are fantastic. You know, they have been in the industry forever. But GIMP, it's one of the software that I have used at the very beginning of my photo editing life. And hard to believe that this software has so much resources and so much power, and it's free of cost. You can basically do almost everything you need with GIMP. You don't need to pay for subscription for Photoshop, or neither you don't need to pay for Affinity Photo, although Affinity Photo is ridiculously cheap for what it can do. That being said, GIMP for me probably the best photo editing software in my book. It has like a very good high quality photo manipulation. You can also create some beautiful digital artwork using GIMP. There are many others obviously, but you can also do pretty much the same thing, create logos, thumbnails for YouTube or any kind of your digital websites to your product. You can do all those digital artwork right here in GIMP. So I highly recommend you to go and download it, and kudos to guys behind the GIMP. Thank you so much for what you're doing. Followed by, I recommend you to download Darktable. Now, Darktable, you can compare directly with Lightroom or Capture One. This software is powerful, and I used it for years before I spent money on SilkyPix Developer Studio Pro. That's for another time, but we're going to talk about Darktable. What it can do? It can do many things with this software. I have this photograph, the interface. You can see at the bottom, the interface, it can do batch processing. It can do copy and paste. You have a tab on the right corner where you have multitude amount of choices to do manipulation, and this software has brilliant options to do split toning, doing some monochrome photography, you name it. You can do almost anything you can possibly do with Lightroom or Capture One or any of those premium software. Darktable can make those companies run for its money. So I highly recommend you to download it if you don't have it. Followed by Raw Therapy. Raw Therapy is equally as good as Darktable. I highly recommend you to go and download it right now if you don't have it. Play with both of them and find out which one works for you. What Raw Therapy can do, Raw Therapy has some phenomenal choice for sharpness, good color. It's fast, it's quick, easy to learn. I don't find it very difficult to learn. Also, you can do group editing. The interface is beautiful to understand. You can do batch. You have so many options to do tagging, rotate. Simple way to explain. This software has almost 99% of the option you would find in Lightroom or Capture One. So, and it's unbelievable that those softwares are free of cost. Thanks to the guys behind those softwares, and there are many other software available in the market that I did not mention. The reason behind it, I personally have tried GIMP, Darktable, and Raw Therapy, so I would like to talk about those. I don't want to talk about something that I haven't tried. They probably are as good as those three, but I have tried those three, these GIMP, Darktable, and Raw Therapy, and I can guarantee you probably don't need any other image manipulation or photo editing software other than those three. I promise you that. As a matter of fact, only reason why I use SilkyPix Developer Studio Pro is because SilkyPix natively support Fujifilm, and I get to use all those beautiful film simulations. But I think Raw Therapy also have the film simulation and support Fuji as well. This is a tribute video to those guys behind making all these free amazing softwares. Thank you so much for your support to the art community. And if you guys found this video very useful, please like and subscribe, and I definitely see you in the next video. Bye bye.